Okay, this is external change. Okay, so it's called change in average external because this child is not part of the group. So at first, everybody contributes $11, right?
Yeah.
But we do not know how many kids are there. We just know they contribute 11.
Yeah.
Then this boy, by right, he don't need to pay anything, $0. But if he comes and join the group, he now needs to pay $10, right?
Yeah.
So from 0 to 10, he increased by $10,
Yes.
right? So where did he get this $10 from? See, everybody now needs to pay $1 less. So everybody gave up $1 for him to become $10. So how many people must there be? So logically, 10 divided by 1, answer 10. That's all.
10 people.
Yep. Because every child needs to give up $1 for him to become $10, right? So there must be 10 people. So 10 is the answer. So the main difference between these two, this is a decrease. This is an increase. So method is the same, but one became smaller, one became bigger. Because for the one above, the average went from 10 to 11 to 10.
Yeah.
Whereas this one, the average went from 52 to 54. So yeah, it's actually the same. I'm quite certain that one of these will appear.
In PSLE.
Yeah, because it's slightly more difficult because you cannot use the total, right? That's why it's the more difficult version of it. Okay, see this lamb, when this lamb was alone, right? All he had to do was pay 60, or rather the average of that single lamb is 60. But when he joins the group, it now becomes 54, right?
Mm-hmm.
So his average actually decreased by 6. Why? Because every lamb in the previous group needs another $2 to become 54, right?
Yes.
So they must steal $6 from him, from it lah. So 6 divided by 2, which means there must be 3 lambs at first. Because 3 lambs must receive $2 each. That's why the new lamb dropped by 6.
Yeah.
So be careful of these. Some question asks for how many lambs are there in the end, and the answer is 4 because you need to take 3 plus 1.